Hey everyone, I'm Aaron. I'm very excited to speak with you today about our latest product. That will be a trusty assistant for business owners to grow their sales. Allow me to begin my first sharing more about the design philosophy behind our brand new mobile POS device. Let's start all the way from the beginning. After we launched our first generation of mobile POS 3 years ago, we started to conceptualize the design of the device I'm about to introduce to you. We conducted extensive research globally across our partners and users to discover their business requirements and pain points at a surface level. After coming up with a list of improvements, we began to zoom into the greater detail and conduct an in-depth analysis on what we can do to address these pointers. First of all, our customers want a mobile POS that have a greater function and flexibility. They wanted something lighter, faster, more reliable, more versatile, and could go the distance. These traits made me recall a particular bird, the swift. It is one of the fastest birds in the world. The swift is also known as the bird that sleeps in the wind, as it can travel for really long distance without feeling tired, despite having a very small build. Hence, we named our new mobile POS Swift 1. Now, let's take a closer look at iMin Swift 1. We have extended the battery life of the Swift 1 by almost 20% and enhanced the device to make it stronger. We have also made the Swift 1 smaller, faster, and lighter than its predecessor, all while providing the biggest screen to display more information for merchants at a glance. However, the most unique thing about the Swift 1 lies within its special modular design. We wanted to create a product that allows users to have the maximum flexibility and customizability. And what this means is that the Swift 1 can transform into 3 function forms to serve the different purpose. At its core, the Swift 1 is a standard mobile POS that is able to process orders and NFC payments. However, with our external attachments, the Swift 1 can quickly become a printer or a scanner as well, depending on the business needs. This allows our customers to adapt the device to suit their requirements and what they need. Think of this future as a hamburger. When you go to your favorite burger joint and order a burger, the restaurant may not offer the perfect burger for your taste. While ordering the burger, you are able to specify additional requirements that helps them to create a burger that suits your preference. Whether you like one without tomato or one with more pickles, this is exactly what is happening here. By allowing customers to customize the device, they are able to fulfill business needs efficiently and effectively with a quick change of the attachments. Our user will also able to purchase exactly what they need, which means if they do not require a printer, they can simply choose to omit buying that attachment. saving them the cost. In addition, since the printer might wear out faster than the post device, customers that can simply replace the printer itself rather than changing out the whole device entirely. The Swift One also supports Android 11, making it the most powerful and economic choice for any merchant out there. The modular concept of the Swift One also solves a major problem of distributors in terms of inventory management. With this new feature, distributors are able to better manage and plan for their warehousing and procurement, since they are able to order individual components rather than having to purchase a Clark Post device that creates headache of the storage. Distributor may also monitor stock and replenish each individual components as and when they require, allowing them to control the purchase to ensure that they have a healthy turnover. In addition, our modular design allows distributors to identify the faulty parts and issue replacements or repair for those parts, rather than to replace the whole device altogether. Now, let's move on and discuss more about the technical aspect of the unique product. iMin's Swift One is an extraordinary piece of hardware for not only for end users, but also for distributors alike. With its modular design, the Swift One aims to give the users everything they can possibly need to meet the business needs, right at their fingertips. Powered by an 8-core processor that runs at 1.6 GHz and Android 11 OS, the device is more than what we meets the eye. The Swift One also contains a 2 or 4 GB RAM with up to 64 GB of storage, which allows for our users to run any type of the software that they may require for the commercial purpose smoothly. The device is compatible with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, and support nano SIM, TF card, and USB Type-C ports. It also has a multi-point capacitive touch panel and weight only at 380 grams. In addition, the Swift One is GMS certified, an essential feature that allows deep integration with the Android operation system and access to many apps that you may require to use on a daily basis. At a glance, its PDA measures 6.5 inches, a little longer than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is designed with a thin bezel and has a large screen that is able to display a good amount of information on a single screen. This makes it extremely convenient for merchants, as they will be able to view necessary information in an instant. Perfect for users that operate in the chaotic and messy environments. For the restaurants and vendors in the F&B service industry should know this pen all too well. The device is also extremely durable. It is tested with the IP54 standard for water and dust resistance. The Swift One has a drop shock-proof design of up to 1.2 meters. The device is designed to survive the hectic settings of many of the industries. For instance, in F&B establishments, where during the peak hours, crowds of the people and a massive table can make it very challenging for waiters and waitresses to remain composed, organized, and aware of their surroundings. They could bring their mobile POS device up and about, and momentarily forget where it is placed, and knock it over while serving the food or cleaning the table. The likelihood of the spillage happens in restaurants or fast food chains is also extremely high, be from the accidents due to waiters or simply from the customer negligence. As such, having a waterproof device is very beneficial in accident-proven environment. With our Swift One, waiters can have a peace of mind in performing their duties without paying too much of attention and care to the PDA. Not to mention, The Swift One is also NFC enabled and will be able to interact with the physical cards or other smartphones to perform the contactless transactions. Employees can simply carry this mobile device from table to table and perform payment transactions there, immediately and hassle-free for customers. This provides them with a very pleasant and wholesome dining experience, creating a strong and positive impression with your business. Now, let me share about the most intriguing and unique feature for Swift One, its modular design concept. So, what does this mean exactly? Well, we have managed to design a product that is customizable and have varied capabilities according to users' requirements. We created an ordinary mobile POS device that is able to perform basic functions and attachments to transform this device into one that is capable to even perform printing and high-speed scanning. Let's talk about the printing. The Swift One can be equipped with a Seiko thermal printer that is printing speed up to 100 mm per second. The high-speed printing ensures that the customer will not have to wait at all during the checkout process, making it a very smooth procedure from their table to the counter and out of the restaurant. The printer uses an industry-standard paper roll that measures 58 mm in width and 40 mm in diameter. Next, the scanner. By attaching a Zebra scan module onto the PDA device, the Swift One now becomes a machine that is capable for performing high-speed 1D or 2D scanning. For businesses that deal with large quantities of a product in their warehouse, the Swift One is the perfect device to have with you. With a lightweight device and extremely fast scanning that takes no longer than 0.3 seconds. Inventory management and stock taking has never been so faster, simpler, and more efficient. Employees will be gliding through shelves and shelves of product in no time, freeing their days to perform other value-added activities. Lastly, with a modular design, distributors are able to purchase independent quantities of the mobile PDA, scanner, and printer themselves. This makes inventory management and inventory control much better on their ends, as they are able to decide on the number of the units to purchase for each component and make a judgment according to their market demands. This also means that the customer can select and customize individual components to suit for the business needs, rather than have to pay a premium for a mobile device that can perform all the functions when it is not required. With these features, you can see that the Swift One will surely be a powerful asset to your business. Now, please allow us to demonstrate how easy it is to use our Swift One.